the only what? The only spouse. How the church helps single parents? Number one is accepting them in church, providing what? Guidance and counseling. You also help them with, some of them with what? With material support if they cannot be able to provide for their children. You involve them in church activities. For example, you can you can involve them in the offertory collection. How can you also involve them? In singing in the choir, yes. You involve them in the church activities. You pray for them and with them. You also provide them with publications on Christian living. You also, yes, you start, as a church, you're supposed to, you start seminars on family life. Family life, basically, it's about how to be a responsible parent, like that, and how to take care of families. So you involve them and you include them there, and you create employment opportunities for them. How do you create employment opportunities? If there is an opportunity in the church, maybe sweeping in the church, or maybe also sweeping in the church, and what other jobs are there in the church? Yes? Except cleaning the church. What else? There is cooking in the church. Why are you forgetting? You can involve them in those tasks so that they can get what? Their own income.